Welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. I'm Monica. In today's video, we are going to do spring cleaning. We're going to do my family room, dining room, entryway. We already did the kitchen, we already did the hallway and the laundry room, so let's get to it.
Only you know you're my savior and my western wind, and I know you like it. It's time now, let's begin. Time now, let's begin. Time now, let's begin. Time now, let's begin. Last in the game, in a wasteland we light up. Wait for a change, and the feeling now is so strong.
Jesse Aaron chewed it all up. One of my favorite books. He did it.
It's the right time for everything starting now. I'm feeling a change in the rhythm. Someone like it, I like it. I'm feeling a change in the rhythm. Someone like it, I like it. When I'm ready for the I'm feeling a change in the rhythm. When I'm ready for the someone like it, I like it. When I'm ready for the I'm feeling a change in the rhythm. When I'm ready for the someone like it, I like it.
I have a question for you. Does anyone else's dogs just attack them whenever they're vacuuming? It's so crazy. So this is my thieves cleaner again. I just do 1 capful to steaming hot water, and it does a great job on the floors. Okay, I'm done. Oh my gosh. And you know what is the most exciting part of it is I did this before. I have to go get my granddaughter right now. So, you know, I think this all makes sense. If you just break things up small bits at a time, rooms at a time a day. You know, we already did the kitchen, the big organization and clean, the laundry room. Now I've got the family room, the dining room, entry, and the bar area that I saved because we just had a bridal shower here, so I needed to, you know, get everything cleaned up. But you know what? Now everything is ready for spring, and the next step is going to be spring decorating for Easter and spring, and that's going to be coming to you on Wednesday. So I'm so excited to have you just decorate with me, and hopefully I can give you some inspiration. So I hope this was valuable to you. I hope that you enjoyed this and that you got some inspiration to get in and get down and get into the dirty parts of the house and just freshen it up for spring. I thank you. I appreciate you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification button so that you know when my videos are coming up. This was a bonus one, so if you don't hit the notification, you're not notified. Have a great day. Bye, guys.